Today I'm making soft-boiled egg for breakfast. This is my daughter's favorite meal to start the day with. It is super simple. The egg yolks are runny while the egg whites are semi-solid every time. This recipe is for 4 servings. The ingredients needed are fresh shelled eggs. I will be cooking just 6 or 7 eggs for today, about 2 cups of ice cube and 2 cups of water. The full list of ingredients is in the See More link. Add 7 eggs in a saucepan. Fill the saucepan with room temperature water until the eggs are all submerged. Put the saucepan on the stove. Switch on the heat to medium heat and set the time for 8 minutes. Meanwhile, put all the ice cube in a large bowl. Add all the water. This is to prepare the ice cold water. I will use it to shock the eggs later, to stop them from cooking from the residual heat. After 8 minutes, the eggs have finished boiling. The time has gone off on its own. Place the bowl of ice water next to the saucepan. Immediately scoop the egg with the strainer and submerge them into the ice water. Alternatively, a pair of tongs or a spoon can be used too. After about 5 minutes, the eggs can be removed from the water. It can be enjoyed with some bread as a filling for a sandwich. I am also serving this dish with homemade wholemeal bread, butter, some romaine lettuce leaves, tomato slices, cucumber slices, and black coffee. Peel the eggshells. To save time, I like to use a spoon to scoop out the egg from its shell. Alright, one done. Continue with the rest of the eggs. Okay, all done. If the yolk inside is soft and runny, it will be quite bouncy when pressed like this. All of them are quite bouncy. Now I will assemble the sandwich. Spread butter on the slice of bread. Place the egg on the bread and cut it open. My daughter enjoys smashing it though, which can be fun too. See, the yolk is still runny while the egg white are still somewhat solid. Sprinkle some pepper and salt over the eggs. Line the other half with sliced cucumber and tomatoes. Place a leaf of lettuce. Let's eat. Very delicious. The egg is still warm with its yolk giving lots of flavor to the sandwich. No wonder my daughter loved this very much. Let's check the rest of the eggs to see if they are also runny. Yes, they are all runny. It's amazing. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed this video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye.